Hey there, it's Beate, another Musing While Driving series. I'm on my way to do a presentation at a California corporation about my favorite topic, which is equality and how we can build balanced team, help men to support women, help women to support other women, and help teams to support in each other by figuring out who the strongest player is on any team and how to make that work together. So there's a couple of things I want to share with you as career tips on how to get ready for a event, when you're presenting. And this could be when you're pitching, this can be when you're making, sharing a proposal or a project or a report or anything that you've been working on. So here are some of my tips on what I do. Number one, the night before, you go over everything one more time, just to make sure that you got your stuff figured out. You do your research ahead of time. You anticipate the questions that might be coming. And it's very important, this is like the most important thing, that you structure the conversation you want to have accordingly to the way you want it to go. So people who you're presenting to probably do not know what to ask for or what your project is about. So it's your job to take them through everything step by step by step by step and anticipate it. So all my meetings are structured. So I have, basically a pitch deck that I follow, which is the what is it, who is involved, how is it going to happen, why is it a good thing, what's in it for them, why we are the great partner to do this with. So I take my prospects through this step by step by step by step. On the day off, I make sure that I got a good night's sleep, that I give myself enough time in the morning. You got to be there early because inevitably, when you're late, something happens. When you're early, never anything happens. Have you noticed that? So I make sure that I'm early, and then you just have to trust that all your preparation is going to actually work for you and you got it nailed. So I hope this helps. This is Beate Chalette. I am the founder of the Women's Code, also known as the Growth Architect. If you like this and other career tips, please check out our career section and our career playlist on YouTube. Thank you so much. Goodbye.